Hey, JAGA is here, Jesus is here, and Jesus is here. JAGA is here today. I'm so happy to celebrate with a great man of God, the man I love so much, a man that I have respect for, and I honor so much, a man who loves my own father, who respect my own father, one and only apostle for the boys, apostle for the street, apostle for everybody. Baba, when they agree, oh Lord, number one. Thank you so much, sir, for being a man that you are. Thank you for what you do in the body of Christ. Thank you for being a radical soldier for God. You are not just a pastor that I know from afar. I'm close to you. You talk to me, and each time you talk, I see this passion, true love of God in you. I don't even think a lot of people know who you really are. The way I see you might be different from where everybody see you. You're a good inspiration and a great inspiration to someone like me, to stand firm in the things of God. And when you speak, I see a lot of love for you, for people, for humanity. Thank you for what you do in the body of Christ. Thank you so much. And one of the things you did one day that blew my mind, that makes me have respect for you, and I will forever love you with that, with that act, that you did then, is when Brother Sam, the late Sam Apostle, was alive and he was going through his persecution. I remember I was with brother, we were doing songs together, and you called him, you were encouraging him. At the end of the day, you don't just encourage him, you send him money. I think it was about $10,000. Then later, Brother Sam told me again that you sent him $5,000. Thank you, thank you for being a great man. Thank you for being a great inspiration. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and the host of heaven, is celebrating you, and I join them to celebrate you today. Happy birthday to you, Baba, for the boys. Anybody will go bed to our apostle Baba John Suleiman. Suleiman. Oh, Mama, you don't know Apostle John Suleiman. You don't know Jesus. You don't know JAGA. You don't know Jesus. Come on for there. Allah. Come on, Baba.